Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to How To Knots. Today I'm going to show you how to tie an adjustable grip hitch just like this. Slides up and down, easy to your object. Don't go anywhere and we'll get straight into the tutorial. The adjustable grip hitch is very easy. You start by going around whatever you're going to hitch to here. We're going to cross over the top of our line here. We're going to feed under once, under twice, and 3 times. We're going to go around the back, and we're actually going to go around both here, just like this, okay? We're going to keep that hole there, take this working end, and just slide it through. Now, the big part of this adjustable hitch is just tightening it up. So we're going to take this left line here, shimmy that a bit. We're going to take these 3 loops here, kind of push them together. It's all about just tightening the hitch knot. And then we can pull this end here, kind of squeeze and compress that knot down until we feel that it's secure. There we go. Slide it up our object just like this. So the adjustable hitch here that we tied, it is not recommended to tie around a large object, and I'll show you why. Because if it was around a large object with a big circumference, then the kind of butterflies these ropes here, and then that kind of lets the working end have a chance to escape here. So it's recommended that you tie it around a smaller diameter object, just so that it can pull tight here and that it doesn't put strain on that working end to kind of push it loose, if you see what I'm talking about there. But yeah, this is the adjustable grip hitch. It comes down and up really easy, and to undo, you just push through that working end again, and there you go. And then you're on your way. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.